Welcome to the Melling Law Self-Help Library. Today we're talking about the vehicle affidavit in order to sign a vehicle from a deceased person's name into the name of the heirs. This only applies in certain types of estates, and we're going to go through that a little bit in the affidavit. But with this form, you should be able to go to the DMV and change title into the name of the heirs in certain types of estates.
This is that affidavit for transferring motor vehicles to an heir's name. In Utah, we can transfer up to 4 vehicles in this manner. If there are more than that, you will need to use a probate proceeding. But this is simply an affidavit, so you'll want to make sure that everything in here is true and that you are not signing anything that is not true. But that it is this is an affidavit made for transferring title to a motor vehicle owned by the person who passed away. That's the first blank there, and who died on a certain date as authorized by the Utah State Code. And then you're going to check either that you are an agent for the decedent's successor, basically the heir, that you are either an agent for the heirs or that you are one of the heirs. If you are not sure whether or not you are an heir or the sole heir, you really should get the advice of an estate planning attorney in your area. And then you are signing that the value of the estate that's subject to administration is less than $100,000, and that 30 days have lapsed since the death, that nobody's filed for a probate proceeding of any kind, and that you are the person who is entitled to receive any kinds of motor vehicles, and this includes trailers and boats. You will want to read over this carefully, make sure all of that applies. If that is, then you'll want to describe the vehicle's make, model, and VIN number and year should be sufficient, and then you'll date and sign in front of a notary. And it's that simple. And then you'll take this to the DMV and transfer titles into your name for a deceased person. If you have any questions, you can reach us at mellinglaw.com or at 435-572-0807.